Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix microphone that's not working in Windows. The first thing you can do is to check the connections and hardware. First of all, check the physical connection, so ensure that the microphone is properly plugged into the correct port on your computer. If you're using a USB microphone, try a different USB port. Next, check if your microphone requires external power. If it does, make sure it's connected to the power source and the power source is working. Check if the microphone itself has a mute button and that it is not muted. Next, if you're using a headset with a combined microphone or headphone jack, ensure that it's fully inserted and the correct audio settings are selected in Windows. Next, software settings. You have to access microphone privacy settings by going to Settings, then from Settings, click on Privacy and Security, that's privacy in my case, and then you click on Microphone. Here it's Microphone. And next thing you can do is ensure microphone access for the device is turned on. This is allow apps to access your microphone on. Now let's say the device is here, like now, let's say this is the device. Make sure it is turned on here. So, and also make sure it's also turned on at the top here. Allow apps to access your microphone. So make sure those two are turned on. Remember, I'm using this to represent my microphone. The name of the microphone will be here, so you make sure it is turned on, and also it is turned on at the top here. Now you can also look at the sound settings by going to Settings and System. Let's go back. System. Click on System and then click on Sound. Then under Input, select your microphone. Here you can see the microphone I'm using. So if you have an external one, you see it there. You pick it among the options. So after selecting it, make sure it is the default device. Then you can also check the volume level and adjust it if necessary by clicking on Device Properties. And then this is for the volume. You can adjust it to make it louder. And you can also test it. So moving on, you can also do what they call troubleshooting the audio. So from here, from this system, you click on Troubleshoot. I believe this is for Windows 11. From System, click on Troubleshoot. Yes, for Windows 11. As you can see, I don't have the option. So you choose on Troubleshoot and then you click on Other Troubleshooters and you choose Run the Recording Audio Troubleshooter. Click on that. Recording Audio Troubleshooter, you click on it. So the next thing you can do is also update your audio drivers by going to Device Manager, expanding Sound, Video and Game Controller, and right click on your audio driver and select Update Driver. You can also update your Windows. Make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Updates also include bug fixes and drivers improvement. Let me show you how to update that audio driver again. So from here, you search for Device Manager. You open it. So you can see Sound, Video and Game Controller. Click on it. Double click on it so you can see the sound button. So if first one, you right click on it and you click on Update Driver. Once you're through with that, after following the on-screen instruction, you do the same for the second one, Update Driver, because I have two. So once you've done that, that's it. Now once you're through with everything, a simple restart. Just simply do a restart. So you do a simple restart, power button, and then you can see update and restart. So you do this, and once you've done that, it should be good. You should be able to fix the problem that way. So if it's not still working, it means that you should try a different microphone to help you determine if the issue is with the microphone itself or with your computer's audio system. Now, if you've tried these steps and your microphone still isn't working, you may need to consult your computer's documentation or contact technical support for further assistance. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.